Join me as I take on the challenge of finding the absolute cheapest flights for 2025. Let's see how low we can go. Finding affordable flights can change your travel game. Imagine scoring a dream vacation without breaking the bank. Today, I'm sharing my top tips to help you snag those wallet-friendly fares. Prices can fluctuate wildly, and just when you think you've found a deal, hidden fees pop up. It's frustrating. One day a flight is cheap and the next, it's back to its usual price. What gives? These fluctuations happen for many reasons, from airline sales to demand changes. And then there are those sneaky extras like baggage fees and seat selection charges. They can add up quickly, turning a cheap flight into a costly one. Popular travel times can drive prices through the roof. It's like finding a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, there are strategies to help you navigate this chaos. You just need to know where and when to look for the best deals. Fare alerts can notify you when prices drop for your desired route. Super handy. Comparison websites let you see prices across multiple airlines at once, making it easier to spot savings. Being flexible with your travel dates can also pay off big time. Flying on off-peak days or during the off-season can lead to cheaper fares. Some travelers swear by booking flights on certain days of the week. It really works. Others use incognito mode to avoid price hikes based on their search history. Smart move. These tips might seem small, but they can make a big difference in your travel budget. Consider alternative airports if you have options. You might save a lot. One key insight: book flights well in advance. Prices often rise as the flight date approaches. Locking in your fare early can save you a ton of money. Using budget airlines can offer substantial savings, but be mindful of their limitations. They might not have all the amenities, but the savings can be worth it. Some flight search engines let you view prices for different days of the week. Use that to your advantage. To sum it up, finding the cheapest flights in 2025 requires being proactive and flexible. Use fare alerts, comparison websites, and consider alternative airports. If you have your own tips for finding cheap flights, I want to hear them. Share your favorite strategies in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel hacks, check out my video on packing like a pro.